My new silicone cover gives me the confidence to wear skirts, shorts, and open-toe shoes in the summer.
I found a very nice gala dress and we went to the concert hall. It was great.
Hello, I'm Katja. I'm 43 years old, and this is my daughter, Lotta. She's 15. We do a lot together, but our biggest shared hobby is shopping.
We are watching the life story of two of our patients. They learn how to fight, to go back to the life, and to take their share from the life.
What I like is that I can kneel very easily because the kneecap protects the knee more than it did at the old way.
And to be happy with the family, to be successful, to study, to be also important and useful member of the society.
I'm an HR manager and give a lot of presentations. In my job, I think it's very important that you don't pay attention on the prosthesis.
Because we're always on the go, and not just when we're shopping, the prosthesis gets a lot of use, which isn't a problem with the silicone cover.
You can live a real good life with all the things you can do as a not disabled person. The relationship with my daughter is perfect. We can have a lot of fun and she has a lot of humor.
I'm not the type of person who wants to stand out, so I'm happy to have a custom silicone cover that gives me the freedom to decide for myself whether or not to stand out.
Vienna is so nice. Beautiful old buildings. Shopping was nice. With the new functional cosmesis, you don't see the prosthesis. It's incredible.
Hello, I'm Katja. I'm 43 years old, and this is my daughter, Lotta. She's 15. We do a lot together, but our biggest shared hobby is shopping. Also great that I can always wear different shoes. Open, closed, always match to my outfit. My new silicone cover gives me the confidence to wear skirts, shorts, and open-toe shoes in the summer without feeling like I stand out.
I accept my prosthesis as part of myself. With the functional cosmesis, it's easy to rotate the knee. It's very, very nice because I can put the shoes out and on, and it's great for my back. What I like is that I can kneel very easily because the kneecap protects the knee more than it did at the old way. With the leg as I have it now, it's more easy for me to wear short skirts, short dresses, because you don't see it that much. It's more like a common leg, more than my own leg. It looks so much better. I found a very nice gala dress and we went to the concert hall. It was great. The functional cosmesis is perfect. It works with the leg. I do recommend it because it's very nice. I'm very happy with it. It's like a normal leg. And what I love is that it's the shape of my own leg. It's so important for me.
Now the possibilities are endless again, so that's amazing.
Colombia is a beautiful country, and it's where I live. I enjoy the freedom of being outdoors a lot. Without my prosthesis, that would be impossible. Hello, my name is Victor. And the reason that I can enjoy nature again is the many small microchips in my prosthesis. Isn't that ironic?
Helping people like Victor to live their lives actively. This is always a great endorsement of our work here in the Center of Excellence in Bogota. We're here to fit users from Colombia and neighboring countries. Anyone who wears a prosthesis knows exactly what is important. precise adjustment and suitable components. Our claim is to offer the best possible fitting. Therefore, we rely on broad expertise and up-to-date technology. The more possibilities there are microprocessor-controlled prostheses provide, the more important the customization and fitting. Top quality is a factor that ensures our users can take their first steps after just a short time. Or like Victor, their first tracks.
Climbing and hiking in nature is a wonderful activity for balancing out the stresses of daily life. My son and I are a perfect team. It's good to know that I can count on a lot of people and a big company like Ottobock to support me in reaching my goal.
Our everyday life is fast-moving. With a limited mobility, this life can be very challenging. That's why we care for your mobility, so that you can lead an independent life, no matter how old you are.
Hello, my name is Christian and I'm working as a prosthetist here in Malmö in southern part of Sweden. Every day, me and my team here take care that people can master the small things in everyday life by providing them with individually made prosthetic solutions.
My name is Ulrika and I'm an occupational therapist. I work at the Department of Hand Surgery at Skåne University Hospital in Malmö. Especially when working with children, you develop an idea what works or not. Our goal is to make them use the prosthesis without thinking as a device. Our dysmelia and arm prosthesis group is the best example that teamwork is the key success factor for our patients. Our team consists of me and other occupational therapists, the prosthetist, a hand surgeon, a physiotherapist and a social worker. Together with all these experts and the parents, we strive to find the perfect fitting solution for every child. The trusting relationship that we build with our patients is extremely important and the biggest reward for our work.
My daughter Lavisa has dysmelia and wears a myoelectric prosthesis. Lavisa was about 6 months old when we met the group in the hospital in Malmö for the first time. It's good to meet other parents, share experiences as well as tips and tricks about the dysmelia and how to cope with it.
With bestcare forum, we will be always more than happy, be with you step by step to show you from the beginning where to go, which treatment to take, which components will be the best for you, and we'll share with you the experience of our patients in this video. Will help you also to be happy and not to give up, and to know that losing a leg or an arm is not end of the life, and you have to be strong, you have to continue fighting, and you can be also successful. You have to be strong, you have to take a therapy, be able to get back to the normal life, that you will know that you are not alone. We are with you as a professional medical team, and we are well trained to help you to go back for the new life, to be happy with your family, to be successful, and to enjoy your life. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for being with us. Love to see you again very soon. Thank you.